Sunnies Productions. Today we're talking about, today we're doing Kelsey burping from Pepsi. Haha. Yeah, here we go. Hello, fellow friends. Put that right there. I'm gonna sit on the ground because I just spilled something. Well, Pepsi, me, and then gas. Let's go. One drink.
From the mouth. Not from the butt, from the mouth.
Well, that wasn't as good as I thought. 2 drinks. That was just 1 drink. Okay, let's move on to 3 drinks. I hurt my nose. Tastes like Pepsi.
No, I haven't.
Ugh. 4 drinks.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, no, viewers, I don't know. Oh. 5 drinks. It's almost done. Quit mocking me. Okay, this is the last drink. I don't know how much it will be, but I'll tell you when I'm done.
That was me.
Well, that was 4. I am burp contagious! Oh, that hurt my teeth. Well, I'm burp contagious. Have a nice day. Oh, I have to stop.